In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subcategories in Wix. If you're looking to organize your blog content better, or simply want to explore the various features Wix offers, understanding how to create subcategories can help streamline your posts and make your website more user-friendly. So let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you want to do is navigate to your Wix homepage. Once you've logged in, your dashboard will be the main hub where you'll manage all aspects of your site. From here, locate and click on the Blog section. This area of your dashboard is where you'll manage all your blog posts and the categories that organize them. Next, you'll want to find and select Categories. This is the section where you'll see all existing categories and the option to add new ones. Once you're in the Categories section, look for the button that says Create Category and give it a click. This will open up a new window where you'll be crafting your category. At this stage, you can type in your new category name and add a description. Providing a thoughtful description is important as it offers a quick reference to what the category is about, both for you and any collaborators. It also helps your readers understand what type of content they can expect within this category. After you've entered your descriptive details, enhance your category by clicking Add Image. You can either select an image from your existing library or upload a new one from your device. A well-chosen image adds a visual appeal and can capture the essence of the category you're creating. Once your image is in place, add it to the page. With the image set, shift your focus to the URL slug. The URL slug is a critical piece of your category that influences how it's indexed by search engines. A well-formulated slug should be short, descriptive, and free of any special characters to ensure clarity and ease in searching. After you've defined your URL slug, click on it to make sure it's correctly set up. And finally, the last step is to hit Save. This action locks in all the details you've configured, ensuring your new category is ready to be used right away. By following these steps, you've successfully created a subcategory in Wix. This can make a big difference in how your site visitors navigate and interact with your content. And remember, well-structured categories can significantly enhance the user experience and SEO of your site. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more great tips on using Wix to its fullest potential.